Steve, nice to see you in class today. Wasn't today's discussion about the upcoming primaries interesting?
Liberty Constitution, Liberty Constitution, Liberty Constitution, Liberty Constitution.
I agree. I'm all for liberty and the Constitution.
Straw poll, money bomb, straw poll, money bomb, straw poll, Liberty Constitution, Liberty.
Well, that's certainly one way to make a point. What about Rick Perry or John Huntsman? Do you think they have a chance?
Alex Jones, Bilderberger, Liberty Founding Fathers. Big banks are out of control. Don't regulate the big banks. Free market. Alex Jones, money bomb, Liberty Republicans suck. Ron Paul is Republican. Liberty, Liberty Constitution. Ron Paul. George. Gringo. Liberty. The end. I win the debate.
Steve, you are not making sense.
Why do you hate liberty? Ron Paul Constitution. Socialists. Liberty secret prison camps. Ron Constitution. Paul Liberty founders. Paul Liberty Ron Constitution. Bilderberger. Ron Paul Alex Ron Paul Jones Paul Liberty Ron Paul Mrs. Paul. Fish sticks. Yum. I win the debate.
I think you might be having a stroke. I'll call 911.
You hate liberty. Money Ron bomb Paul bomb. Liberty founders 9/11. False flag. Ron Paul bankers globalist empire. Alex Paul Ron Jones Paul Liberty Ron Paul bomb Money Jones Ron Alex Paul Constitution Paul globalist. I win the debate. I win the debate.
The way you talk, it sounds like you are in a cult.
Stop attacking me so harshly with your wild insults. You evil little Nazi troll. I have feelings too. Why must you always resort to name-calling? You moronic pea-brain. There's no need to use harsh language. You slime ball viper from Satan's lair. I'm trying to be civil in this debate, but you won't let me. You county snot-filled maggot pig. I'm the victim here. I am the victim here. Remember that. You pile of skid row crack or human sewage.
Wow. Just wow. I'm pretty sure you have brain damage, Steve.
I don't have brain damage. I have no delusions about anything. I am a man who lives in the real world. So, when Ron Paul becomes president, I'll be flying my jetpack to Washington to work in the Department of Liberty and Free Week. We should meet up.
Goodbye, Steve.
Liberty Constitution, Liberty TT Money Bomb, Liberty Ron TT Constitution, TTPPP, Liberty Constitution, Ron Paul, Liberty Constitution. The call is coming from inside the house. Ron Paul, there's no place like home.